Oh, wow, wow. Looks like we got 5-0 over at the hotel. Let's see what they're up to today. We'll see what they're up to today. Well. Let's see.
They shouldn't have accepted it from me if they can't return it to me, right?
And obviously they're
I know.
We'll figure that out.
I know. I'm just saying it's just not fair. That's all. Like it's like they.
Oh, yeah.
Right? Like they shouldn't have been able to take.
Well, I'm just hanging there for a minute. Sure. Appreciate that.
You must have an alarm that goes
Yeah. And as I said,
You
I
have an
look who
alarm?
shows up.
The thing is that they're doing good, so I can't, you know.
No, they're doing good.
Hey, yeah.
She is special. She is the problem. He tried to keep.
Do they have police cams on?
I didn't notice.
Okay.
Yes, but they took the money from my hand
they have an
though.
obligation to give it back to me.
Okay, but they shouldn't have, okay, yeah, but they shouldn't have been able to accept the money from me if it was under his name. To pay for it. How can they accept it? They they were giving me towels, they were updating my card and stuff. Just so like that's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, because you're with me. But you're not with me.
No, but
Because
so
you're
then now
at
you're trying to
work.
take my money. It's my
Can I
money.
go, man? I don't want to
No,
talk
can you
with
check the, no, like it's my money. Why should you,
Can I go?
no, why should you, why? Yeah, whatever, let him keep the fucking money, let him be a fool.
It's not about the
You know
money,
what?
man.
Yeah,
It's about
it
you
is
being a
about the money.
whore.
No, it's about you stealing my money. You
Fuck you, whore.
Fuck you, Jeremiah. Fuck you. You know that?
Maybe you should get solid like I'm
No,
solid.
yeah, maybe you shouldn't be stealing people's money. No, fuck
Good job, guys.
no, I'm fine.
How are ya? How you doing?
Good.
Your name and badge number?
Why?
Why not?
Are you involved in this here, sir?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
No.
My name's right here.
Right here?
Yep.
Is that what you say to the judge? Right here?
Yep.
Yeah.
What's your name?
What's your badge number?
253.
Jody Knockwood.
Jody.
Jody Knockwood. Yeah.
Hey,
Well
Jody.
known around the police force. Yeah.
What's that?
Well known around the police force.
Okay.
Yeah. What's your badge number?
Go ahead.
No badge number today? No badge number? No, okay. Guys are gone like the wind. Here's the culprits, right here. We'll get their name and badge number at the office. This is the guy here. No name and badge number on this car right here. All right. Well, Alan, darling.